Hi, presenting you class 4 mathematics. Topic factors and multiples. In this we are going to discuss about what is a factor, what are the properties of a factor, what is a multiple, what are the properties of a multiple, common factors and common multiples with diagrammatic representation. Let us discuss about a factor. A factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. Example, 18 divided by 9, which gives 2. If we divide 18 by 9, you will get 2 as quotient and 0 as remainder. So here 9 and 2 are the factors of 18. Now let's discuss about properties of a factor. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. A factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. The smallest factor of a number is 1. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. A number has a limited number of factors. Every number has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Now let us discuss about multiples. What is a multiple? A multiple of a number is formed by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. For example, here I took 3 numbers, 3, 5, 7. If we multiply these 3 numbers, we will get the product 105. Here 105 is the multiple of 3, 5 and 7. Now let's go through the properties of multiple. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. A multiple of a number is either greater than or equal to the number. A number has an uncountable number of multiples. There is no largest multiple of a number. Now we are going to compare the properties of both factors and multiples. The property of factors are: 1 is a factor of every number. But in multiples, every number is a multiple of 1. In factors, every number is a factor of itself. But in multiples, every number is a multiple of itself. In factors, a factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Whereas in multiples, a multiple of a number is either greater than or equal to the number. In factors, a number has a limited number of factors. But in multiples, a number has an uncountable number of multiples. Coming to factors, the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. But in multiples, there is no largest multiple of a number. In factors, the smallest factor of a number is 1. Factors can be found by 2 ways, either by multiplication or by division. For example, here I have taken 12 as an example. Factors of 12 by multiplication method. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Here 1 and 12 are the factors. 2 6 are 12. Here 2 and 6 are factors. 3 4s are 12. Here 3 and 4 are factors. Now the factors of 12 by multiplication are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. factors of 12 by division method. 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. Here 1 and 12 are factors. 12 divided by 2, which gives 6. Here 2 and 6 are factors. 12 divided by 3, which gives 4. Here 3 and 4 are factors. Now the factors of 12 by division method are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. How to find the factors and common factors of numbers? For example, take two numbers 14 and 16. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Here the common factors of 14 and 16 are 1 and 2. In both the factors 1 is the common and 2 is also the common. So the common factors of 14 and 16 are 1 and 2. In a diagrammatic representation, factors of 14 and factors of 16. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. In these two factors, factors of 14 and factors of 16, 1 and 2 are the common. So this is the diagrammatic representation of common factors. Now let's discuss about how to find multiples and common multiples of numbers. Here also I have taken two numbers. For example, take two numbers 3 and 4. The first five multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The first five multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. In these first five multiples of 3 and 4, the common multiples of 3 and 4 is only 12. In a diagrammatic representation, multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. In these two multiples of 3 and 4, 12 is the only common multiple of both 3 and 4. This is the diagrammatic representation of multiples of 3 and 4. What we have learned so far: factors and their properties, multiples and their properties, common factors and common multiples with diagrammatic representation. Thank you.